Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope all are you fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by His mercy. I am really happy to get an opportunity to say something about traditional festival in Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a cultural country. There are various kinds of festival like Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, Durga Puja, Buddha Purnima, Pohila Boishakh, etc. Today, I want to tell you the biggest festival in Bangladesh. Pohela Boishakh is the most celebrated festival in our country. People from all walks of life celebrate this great occasion. Uh, great occasion with enthusiasm and fanfare. Pohela Boishakh is the first day of Bangla New Year. Pohela Boishakh celebrated both city and villages. The first day of Pohela Boishakh take place at Ramana Bottomul. People join the Mongol Shobhajatra in the morning. In the village, the main attraction is Boishakhi Mela, which is lasting 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month. Men and women wearing colorful dresses. It opens a new calendar of Bangla New Year uh, and inspire us to start a new life with hope and spirit. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for having patience.